This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine a social network that puts you back in control, not the advertisers. On the Disrupt stage at TechCrunch 2026, Bluesky's CEO Tony Schneider warned that today's giants create a structural asymmetry, massive data silos, opaque algorithms, and profit models that siphon value from users. Their remedy is a federated protocol that separates identity, storage, and moderation into interoperable layers, so you can choose a pod that matches your privacy preferences, community standards, or even local regulations, and move your identity at will. Rose Wong highlighted token-based incentives that reward creators directly, ending the need to hand over audience ownership to a central platform. The blueprint rests on 3 pillars: openness, agency, sustainability, promising transparent standards governed by the community rather than a single corporation. This decentralized architecture could finally break the lock-in effect and give creators a fair share of the revenue they generate. Stay ahead of the decentralized wave. Follow ChainMind for the next evolution of AI-powered social.